When it comes to forward-facing sonar, there's a few things that I like to do or keep in mind. And the first being how I set up in a particular spot. I almost always want the wind to my face. So when I'm cruising along and I see something I want to cast to, it slows me down and it doesn't blow me over the top of it. And so what I like to do is continue to move at a relatively quick speed. I like to go like that 1.5 to say 1.8 miles per hour, clipping along pretty good. And I'm also scanning at the same time relatively fast. I'll do a hard left and then I'll scan hard right, back and forth, keeping my foot on the gas going back and forth. But when I see something I want to cast to, I always let off the gas, especially if it's a hard, to the side of the boat, so that way it's not pulling me and twisting that boat. Get lined up on it, I make my cast, and a lot of times then I'm gonna get back on the gas. It's just like throwing a marker buoy. I'm gonna head that direction, line back up on hopefully the fish and the bait, and then I'm gonna start, engaging with that fish. So these are a few things I like to keep in mind when I'm rolling around with forward-facing sonar, and it's just one of those things where it just helps you be more efficient when you're on the water.